Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulaikha binti Azman. I come from DDT 1A. My course is Information Technology. So today, I would like to share my video. I want to present about how to install your application in your iPhone and how to remove the application in your iPhone. So today, my phone is, I would like to choose 7 Plus. So the operating system is iOS lah. So you can see in my video. One, how to install app using pull method. Go to App Store and search what you want, like TikTok. Okay, so press get and wait at the end. Okay, so application is done download. Okay, wait and choose your interest and choose English, your language, swipe up, and so the TikTok is done. And then sign in your account. Okay, you can sign in with email. Okay, sign in your birthday. Okay, next, and sign in your phone number or email. Okay, so wait to enter 6 digit. Okay, this for 6 digit. Okay, insert 6 digit. Okay, your TikTok is done. 2, how to remove application your iPhone. This Teza, I want to remove this app. So click this and remove app, and then delete app. So choose delete. So the application is delete. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. So this is features on iPhone. We have 5 features.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulaikha&Syadira binti Isa. In problem based task 2, I want to show how to install software push method in phone, and I want to manage the home screen by placing the apps. The phone I use is Oppo A12, definitely an Android device lah. Okay, you can watch the video. Okay, first kita download application push method. Okay, kita open the Play Store, click search, and then kita type about the application for download, P#. Okay, click and click install. Waiting for download. Waiting for the application loading until finish. Alright. Okay, installing. For open, again click open button. Alright, this is a P#. Okay, skip and allow. Okay, this here you can see any style what you want to edit with P#. Okay, for the last question is manage the home screen by placing the apps in the appropriate category. Okay, first app iaitu pull application. Okay, X recorder. Okay, drag for the folder, and then create the name folder. Okay. Alright. Okay, kita rename recorder. Alright. And then untuk push app, P# and drag to folder. And then rename the folder editor. Okay, alright.